Hey guys, bit of a happy moment for me to share. I'm just getting rid of this useless phone cradle. Well, I say useless, I've never really heard of anybody making much use of it, but let me know if somebody has. But yeah, it's no good to me, so I'm going to be getting rid of this one. Should be fairly straightforward. I believe so. It's just a case of, well, there's your first step. Press that button and take that out, and then you'll need some trim removers, panel removers. So I've got a set of these just to prise this out, and then I believe there's a cable underneath the handbrake here, which we need to get rid of or disconnect, and that should allow this thing to come out, and I shall be replacing it with this tray. 15 quid off eBay, not bad. I reckon that's an investment, considering you're going to be making use of some space. So yeah, let's see how we get along. Now we are having to do this kind of step by step as I go along. Unfortunately, I haven't got somebody here to help me, and I can't really put a tripod or something to hold the phone in there in a useful enough spot. So apologies for a bit of a shaky video, as I know people have been commenting to say it would be helpful if the video was still, but unfortunately this is how I'll have to do it. So I'll try my best to show what I'm doing. There we go. So I've kind of pulled it out at the same time. There we go. So can't disconnect the cable from this side, and that's what's underneath there. So following this cable through, it comes below this handbrake, so I should just be able to pull that back out. Again, just using that trim remover to kind of, I've pulled it out from there, just work its way around. Yeah, that comes off fairly easily. Slide that across there like that. Right, so we've located the cables, these ones here. You just literally pulled on the wire and find out. There you go, that's the one moving. So I've lifted the handbrake up, pulled this quite far up. Just to give yourself a bit of space, it's probably worth just attaching that there. Not attaching it, but just placing it back in its spot. You could even potentially do this the other way around. So start by taking these cables off. Obviously I didn't know what cables it was and where they were. So it just literally, the whole thing just slides out from over there. So what we'll do next is just tuck these cables back in. And obviously put the tray in. And I can confirm, with those cables disconnected, the Bluetooth connectivity is unaffected. I've just made a test call on it, and I haven't had any issues. Yeah, so the tray's a decent, nice round fit. Goes straight in. Literally move it in and out when you want. It's a bit dirty under there, so I'm definitely going to give that a clean at some point. Yeah, there's additional space for you to use, put any wires through as well if you've got any more modifications, but gives you an idea. That goes straight in. So, sunglasses there, something. Obviously being in an E93, you know, have things like that prepared. Just to give you an idea, that is about the maximum height you're going to get out of that. So you've got one of these little chewing gum packets, chewing gum tin tubs, that fits straight in. There you go. Yeah, so I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.